Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application and I'm going to open the project I have just created. For example guys, I'm going to remove this watermark from this video. If we want to remove something from our video, we need to duplicate our video first. And we're going to use the mask trick. Okay, I'm going to find the duplicate option. Okay, it's right here, guys. Then I'm going to make it as an overlay. So we're going to go to the switch. Wait, where is it? Okay, this one. And make sure that the second video is aligned with the first video. Okay, and then we're going to apply mask. Go to the mask and choose the shape of the mask. For me, I'm going to choose the circle mask and take another part of your video guys to cover the unwanted watermark. Okay, like this. I'm going to take this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover it. I'm going to click on the check mark and you can drag the mask until the watermark is fully covered. Okay, and to make it more natural, we can adjust the lightness or the contrast and so on. I'm going to go to the adjustment. Wait. Okay, go to adjust and I'm going to adjust the lightness just a little bit. Okay, perfect. You can also adjust the feather. Go back to the mask and then you can adjust the feather using this button. Just like this. Okay, done. And this is the final result. The watermark has been removed from the video. However guys, I know that this trick can't be applied to all types of video, especially when a video has complicated objects, and you can only apply this trick to a part which has clear background. Okay, and that's all for today guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.